Hello, this is the 2010 firework stash. I am Jackass 1214. So I'm gonna show you what I bought. This is some day class stuff, just for fun, for using the street. Just some little bottle rockets, bigger rockets, very big. We got just the bees and the bee rocket, a mortar. We got jumping jacks. We got XXL firecrackers, with is just 10 times so hard as a normal firecracker. We got the blossom flowers, just spinning on the ground, stuff like that. We got very much mortars. You can just very much mortars, like, I don't know how much, but very much. So you can see, we got over 800, maybe 1,000 of firecrackers. And we got, this is the Roman candle. I love Roman candles. Pretty cool. So I bought very much of them. Alright, now we go to the bigger stuff. This is, as you know, not America, so we don't have shells and stuff like that. So I have just not very much. I paid over $200 euros for this, and I have the Sky Thunder. It's just the same as this rocket. This rocket is a Hindu rocket. It's just very hard. I think it's just very hard. And this is just the same, only a little bit softer and more. So that. Then we got the 20 Mega Star multi-effect tricating. 20 rockets over like the big cracklings. We got the Atlantis. We got the Golden Gate. We got some little ones. The mighty one. We got the Lone Super Soldier. And the big Broncos again. And the Golden Gate 2 times. 20 rockets. So, and I bought a packet just from little stuff. This is just some jumping jacks, or no jumping jacks, just some little firecrackers with color, I think, stuff like that. Another Roman candle, some bigger than this one. Maybe it's just a flashlight, but I don't know, sure. We got little fountains, some bigger, very big fountain in this packet. We got the little spinning bat, pretty awesome though. Same shit. Stuff like that. More Roman candles. Some rockets. Another Roman candle. And so we got this platoon. Then we go to the biggest stuff. I have the Black Palm 2 times. It's the 10 shots, and it's worth the money. It's pretty awesome though. So I got 2 of them. I bought the Black Moon, a little bit small, no holes you can see, but awesome though. I love the Black Label fireworks, so I bought 5 things of them. Then we got this. It's the Magnum missile. 100 shots. Just little rockets shooting in the air. It's awesome. We got the heavily red. 2 times. You can see the holes. We got the heavily willow. Some bigger. Pretty heavy. You can see the holes through. Also nice. This is some bigger fountain. It's just from another producer from Weka Fireworks. I like it, so I bought 2 of it. Then we got the biggest cake I can get. This is the Black Mamba, also from Black Label. I want a bigger one. I want the Ultimate Fantasy, and I want another big one, but just they don't have it, so that was a shame. But I got this also all from local store, so I'm happy with it. And yeah, next year I will buy more. And I posted on YouTube everything we're gonna launch, so click on the link on the side other time if I post the other one, so you can see all of this going in there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.